create ink splash reveal effect in InShot. Import your video. Add the ink video from InShot Materials Library. Click to fit the screen. Add the black and white effect. Click the bar to set duration of effect. Now let's check the result.